Powered by Plascon, today's handy heroes come from Mica Durban North in KZN.
So Mica Durban North is a very vibrant store. It's a fun-filled place. It's filled with energy. You feel that the moment you walk in, the moment you step into the door, you feel that. I mean, you're then welcomed by knowledgeable and helpful staff, which makes your experience like not only just easy, but a much more pleasurable experience as well.
I love the people because there's most customer knows me.
Our magic is all about customer service and giving the customer the right products at the right pricing.
From the people that work here to from where we come from to where we are today, and we keep on growing day by day, getting bigger.
We are one of the leading stores with paint, and Plascon is one of our greatest suppliers in all round. We stock a lot of Plascon.
The Plascon brand is a brand that's well known, firstly, and it's also known as a best quality paint. So it lasts long in terms of durability, and most of their paints, they have good coverage and spreading rates.
My personal favorite product to sell is wall and all, as we call it here. Not just wall and all, we call it wall and all. That's the Mica Durban North way. So yeah, it's a premium quality paint with a whole lot of durability. It has a 15-year guarantee, and it's a very high quality paint, and I would recommend anyone to buy that one. Wall and all.
Mica, let us show you how.
Handy heroes, powered by Plascon. Together, we've got this.
South Africans know tough. It's built into our DNA. We know how to outweather and outlast the harshest conditions. When the cracks start to show, we go the extra mile. Our strength is legendary. Our resilience, iconic. And despite the odds, we know what gets the job done. Mica Tex, strong enough to endure anything.